Welcome back students to the computer classes. In this class we'll study about the new chapter, that is chapter number 6, logo part 1. Okay. Firstly, the introduction part. There are many programming languages available to do programming in computer. Logo is one such computer programming language. Logo is very popular among students because of its simplicity. Simplicity means वो बहुत simple है, it's very simple to use and it's very easy to learn and understand also. Okay? The full form of logo is logic oriented, graphics oriented. Students, this full form may come in your exams. Okay? So what's the full form of logo? The full form of logo is logic oriented, graphics oriented. Logo is used to draw different drawings and do the calculations. Alag drawings, it's used to draw the drawings, different drawings and do the simple calculations also. There is no other programming language as simple as logo to teach the programming to the school students. So from the basic level of the programming, we are having the logo program that is very simple and very easy to learn. Okay, first of all, how to start logo program. Double click on the logo icon on the desktop to start the logo program. Okay, just let me see where is the logo program now. Okay, my logo program is just like here. Yeah, here you can see the program. Okay, the logo program screen. So what all things we are having, just let me see. Okay. Now the next is different parts of the logo screen are explained here. First is the title bar. Okay, so here can you see the title bar? This is the title bar. Okay, see the title bar shows the logo program name. Okay, so here is a logo program name, that is MSW logo screen, and the control buttons on the right side, that is minimize, maximize and close. Okay. These three buttons are what? Minimize, maximize and close. Yeah. Now the second is menu bar. Here you can see the menu bar. There are 5 different menus of logo in the menu bar. Okay. 5 different. How many? 5. That is file, bitmap, set, zoom, help. What is there? Here you can save your file, edit your file, erase your file, or you can exit. Exit means that is the close button. If you want to close your program, just go to file and exit. Okay? Yes. Now second is the graphics area. Graphics area is this one, the white rectangular area. Okay? This area shows the graphics drawn by the logo program. Graphics जहाँ हम draw करते हैं, that area. Now this small size triangle is known as turtle. What is it known as? It is known as triangle. That is the turtle. Okay. This is the turtle. The small triangle in the center of the logo is known as turtle. This is small triangle and this is known as turtle. You can draw the different shapes by moving the turtle from one place to another. The center of the screen where the turtle is shown. ये पूरी screen का center है. The center of the screen where the turtle is shown, that is the home of the turtle. That is the home. Home means घर है उसका. That is the home of the turtle. Yes. Now is what? Now is the text area. Here we are having the text area where we have to write the commands, and according to that command our turtle, that is the small triangle, will work. Okay. The commands given to the logo is written here. User writes the logo commands in the text box displayed at the bottom of the screen. Okay, this is the bottom of the screen. Then is to exit logo program. अगर हमें logo program बंद करना है, so click on the close button. This is the close button. Okay, this is the close button. Okay, to exit the logo or type bye, or what we'll do, we will type here bye in the text area and press enter, or go to the file menu that I have told you earlier. Go to the file menu and here is the exit. Okay, now students, open your textbooks. Open your textbooks, that is your page number 46. Okay, there you can see it's written to make the drawings in logo. Yes, so let me just do it. Yeah, you can draw different shapes by moving the turtle on the screen in different directions. हम turtle के साथ different directions को हम turtle को move कर सकते हैं by using the different commands. Turtle draws a line behind it wherever it moves from one place to another. जैसे ही turtle move करेगा, it will draw one line. I will show you how it draws. You need to move the turtle according to the diagram you want to draw. जो diagram आपको draw करना है, उस हिसाब से we have to move the turtles. There are many commands in the logo to move the turtle. Most of the logo commands are of 2 characters, so it is very easy to learn and remember. Few logo commands require some value to be specific to execute it. कुछ logo commands में अपन को एक specific value चाहिए होती है, जैसे ही वो execute करे. The turtle changes its position and draws the diagram as per the different values provided to the different logo commands. So हम turtle को change करेंगे, उसकी position change करेंगे through the different logo commands. Okay, now come down to the 46 page number. First we are having the FD command. Students, first you have to learn the commands and how it works, that you have to learn. Okay, so first is the FD command. FD means the forward direction. Okay, FD means forward. FD command is used to move the turtle to the forward direction. Forward मतलब वो ऊपर जाएगा. Okay, the turtle will move it to the forward direction as many steps as the specific value written after it. Okay, so let me just try these FD command. Okay, write FD 100. So it will move the 100 steps to the forward directions. Okay, I have written the program and enter. Understood? Yes, in this way this logo program works. Okay, so you understood the FD command. Now is the BK. BK that is backward, वो वापस पीछे आ जाएगा. Okay, BK means the backward. BK command is used to move the turtle to the backward direction. वापस वो नीचे आ जाएगा. Turtle will move in the backward direction as many steps specified in the value written after BK. Okay, now just let me try BK. FD हमारा 100 था, तो हम BK 50 ले लेते हैं. Okay, BK 50. So turtle came down. Understood? Yes. Now is the RT command. RT means, yes, RT means turn right. Okay, right turn. Turtle का face right turn ऐसे move हो जाएगा. Okay. RT command is used to turn the turtle's head to the right direction. सिर्फ उसका turtle का head change होगा to the right direction. The turtle will turn its head in right direction with the angle specified in the value. Okay, so let me try RT 90. Okay, so see the head of the turtle, 90 direction, 90, and that is the राइट साइड उसका हेड मूव हो गया. ओके, यस. रिमेंबर दैट RT कमांड डज नॉट ड्रॉ एनी लाइन. RT कमांड कोई लाइन ड्रॉ नहीं करता है. इट ओनली चेंजेस द हेड ऑफ द टर्टल टू द स्पेसिफिक डायरेक्शंस. As FD and BK commands do, it only just changes the direction of the head. अब जैसे ही उसने हेड चेंज कर दिया, राइट साइड कर दिया, तो अभी हमको राइट साइड में और आगे बढ़ना है. सो वी विल राइट FD 100. तो वो 100 साइड में वो FD हो गया. अंडरस्टूड. इन दिस वे इट मेक्स द figures, that is the drawings and all. Now is the LT command. LT, that is the left turn. LT means left turn. LT command is used to turn the turtle's head in the left direction. The turtle will turn its head in the left direction with an angle specified in the value written after LT. तो LT means वो left direction में सिर्फ move होगा. So let me try LT 90. तो वो लेफ्ट डायरेक्शन में मूव हो गया. यस. इन दिस वे इट विल ट्राई इट्स टर्न इट्स हेड टू द राइट एंड लेफ्ट डायरेक्शन. नाउ इज द CS कमांड. CS means that is the clear screen. You can clear your whole screen by using which command? That is the CS. CS command is used to clear the drawings from the logo screen. Unlike FD and BK command, CS command does not require any value. उसको अपना क्या करना है? सिर्फ स्क्रीन को क्लीन करना है. ओके, CS एंटर. सो इट डज नॉट नीड एनी स्पेसिफिक वैल्यूज बिकॉज उसको कहीं मूव नहीं करना है. इट इज ओनली क्लियरिंग द स्क्रीन ऑफ द लोगो. यस. Then is CT, that is a clear text. यहाँ this one is the text written. ये हमारे सारे टेक्स्ट हमने लिखे हुए हैं. अब हमको इसको इरेज करना हो, उसको क्लियर करना हो. So what we'll do? We will write the command as CT and enter. So it will clear all the text area also. Understood, students? In this class we study this much. Now let's revise. We have done the FD command, that was the forward direction. BK, that was the backward direction. RT, that is the right turn. The turtle only turn its head, it will not move any place. Then is LT, that is the left turn. Then is CS to clear the screen. CT for the clear the text area. Understood? That was the introduction part. Now in our next we'll start doing all the practical logo commands. Okay? Yeah. Thank you, students.